Hello, few viewers. It's Griffin, and I have another unboxing. It's from SpeedCubeShop.com, and they're the best company I've had the pleasure of dealing with. All the packages have come, like, at least a day early from when they were estimated to come. The box got a little messed up, but, well, mailer, but as long as my products are okay. That's good enough. Okay. Oh, cool. It's my timer. Oh, that's cool. Okay. How do we open it? Oh, no, I hope I didn't break it. Cool. Maggots. I believe it needs some batteries. Okay. Let's see. What kind of batteries do you take? I don't know. Oh yeah, one of my dad's friends at work got me a Rubik's 360. That's pretty cool. Okay. So here is another cool business card. What I bought. SpeedCubeShop.com. Toss that over there. Okay. Now this is my okay, it's my Shangshai 4x4 version 2, I believe. It's a funky box. It feels kind of greasy. Okay. Go. Oh, I get to learn how to solve a 4x4. That looks like it's for 5x5. Okay. That's cool. Kinda, sorta, I guess. Wow, that's a good 4x4. Oh no, what'd I do? So yeah, pretty good, really good actually. Just a little bit greasy, but that can be worked out. Like, my 7x7 came a little greasy, but it's fine now. So, set that there. Just set the box there. Okay, now, what I have been waiting for. Okay. Put that in my growing pile of stuff. Like mail. Oh no, you can't see my address. I bought a backpack. Got a cool military one just for Cuban. The 6x6. That looks like it's for a 4x4, but okay. It's so... The cubes are so small. Look at that. Oh no. I think the core misaligned. The core misaligned. Already. Why can't I turn this? What's up with this thing? Okay, that's kind of weird. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I was just afraid that I was going to break it. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of greasy, too. But I'm excited for this, and I'll show you guys why. Because now, I have the 2x2, the 3x3, the 4x4, the 5x5, the 6x6, and the 7x7 back there, that one. Yes. So, seems like a good cube so far, seems quite heavy. But it seems like all the layers turn well, which is fantabulous. Yeah. This one seems like amazing. Look at that corner cutting. Oh, no. Like middle corner cutting. That's amazing. It's corner cutting for this. Wow. Like nothing. Wow. But it's a 6x6, so you're gonna have to kind of be precise. Okay. So, verdict. Greasy. And greasy, but they seem very good. Not super greasy, it just feels like they've been lubed a lot. So I'll have to like wipe them off. And the timer, well, I have absolutely positively no idea. And a reminder about the contest. I think we're almost at 500. We might be at 500 right now. Inbox us a message after we get 1,000 total video views, and you will win a free Dying Guhong stickerless 3x3. That's all for this. It seemed kind of boring, I don't know. Probably was. But, hey. So, see you guys in the next video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Bye.